Hey guys, what's up? It's Jonathan here, and I'm going to show you how to do stuff and do the titles in Premiere Pro, and we're going to wind up making something that looks about like this. Alright, if you look over to the left, I've already made a few example titles, but to make a title, you go right up here to title, new title, default still. Name it whatever you want. For example purposes, I've named it example. Uh, I'll name this one me. Now, if you notice right here, this is the screen you work with, and here's the text that I last used, which is, you can tell what text you have right there. You got your text alignment, your shapes, and down here you have your text fonts. There's all these different choices. I think I'll use this one. And notice up here in this corner, the text font change. You go right here to the screen and make your text box, and then once you see that cursor flashing, then you can type. And notice if you click out, it stops flashing, that you cannot start typing. You have to click back in until it flashes. And I spell my name wrong every time. And then once you get what you want down there, just exit out and notice it's over here. And all you have to do is drag. And I'm going to go ahead and delete all of this, not my name, all of this. And then we'll put it on video 1. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in, just because it's easier to work with that way. And I'm going to go ahead and put, hang on, that wasn't supposed to happen. If you double click, that'll happen. I'm trying to drag it over and it ain't working. There we go. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put some effects on here just to make it more interesting. And I'm going to use the iris cross. And that makes it look about like that. And I'm going to shorten it up. That way it's not completely boring. And we're going to use iris round. And then you got something that looks like this. Okay. And then we'll just use another one of my examples. You can go in and create more titles the way I previously showed you. And if you want to layer it, you have to go up to video 2. And you can either align it to where as soon as the effect stops, then it comes back in. And once again, I'm going to put some effects on there, make it more interesting. I like to align the effects to where they start and stop at the same time. That way you get something pretty random, like that. But you can make it look like, align it to where they start and stop at different times, and it looks like that. I'm going to go ahead and make this shorter, and then put another effect on there. And you can also layer it, which is, you can see what I'm doing right in here, dragging it over on top of this. And since this is on video 2, it will show this one over video 1. And then you got something that looks like that. And you can do that all the way up to video 3. You can align it or layer it. And just because I don't feel like taking the time to do all this to make it look nice and neat, I'm just showing you basically what you can do with it. And you got something that looks like that. And that's how you work with title slides in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. Until next time.